Welcome to MYFUNDBOX. We'll explore how to customize email notifications in MYFUNDBOX. Let's dive in. Once you have logged into MYFUNDBOX account, go to Settings from the menu. Click on Email Notification. This page allows you to enable options for customizing email notifications. The first 3 emails cannot be customized and are mandatory. Sign up email. Forgot password email. User creation email. The rest of the options allow you to enable or disable notifications as needed. Activate this feature to effortlessly send newsletters using our dedicated functionality. Turn this on to alert sponsors when their recurring donations are canceled. Choose this setting to send users a confirmation email whenever their primary email is updated. Switch this on so new members receive a welcome email upon signing up. Configure this to ensure donors get confirmation emails for every transaction. Set this up to automatically send an email whenever a disputed transaction occurs after a donation. Users receive a donation confirmation email for one-time transactions. Opt for this to send reminders about incomplete transactions. Enable this option to notify users when a payment box transaction is successfully processed. Stay transparent with donors using MYFUNDBOX email notifications. Schedule a demo to know more.